Hi guys, my name is Donna at Facepaints for You. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and joining this fantastic face and body painting family. Okay, so yesterday, as it was Halloween, I did this Pennywise clown face painting design, and I thought, why not make it into a video so I can show you guys how I did this? Right, let's jump straight into it. Okay, so as you can see, I loaded my smoothie blender from the face painting shop with the Maroon White Star Blend, and I covered her whole face. I do love to use star blends for skulls and clowns, but of course you can always just use a white face paint and a sponge. Now, she didn't want me to do this, but sometimes I like to give the face a bit of dimension. So instead of just having a flat white face, I do like to grab either a black star blend or some black eyeshadow and put some shadows around the hairline and contour the face slightly. Maybe add a little bit of blush on the cheeks. But of course that would be optional, and of course it would depend on how much time you have too. Just like the eyes, as you can see, I grab an eyeshadow, a bit of red and a bit of black, and do a bit of a smoky eye. And of course you can use any cheap eyeshadow palette, it doesn't really matter, or if not, star blends would be absolutely fine. Then as you can see, I just blended the black and the red all together on her eyelid and then slightly underneath her eyes. Nothing special, as you can see. Then I loaded my 1/2 inch short flat brush from the face painting shop with a red face paint. Any red face paint will be absolutely fine. And I started to fill in her lips, and I did make them slightly bigger than her normal lip size. And then on each corner of her mouth, staying on the tip of the brush, I did a straight line about a centimetre and a half long. Then with the same brush and the same red paint, I painted 2 small, very thin but tall triangles on the top middle of her eyebrows. Then I tried to imagine a straight line going from those triangles on top of her eyebrows, going through her eye. Then from under the eyes I would start the paint line again and continue it, curve it slightly round and connect it to the line that we pulled out from the mouth, and I do exactly the same on the opposite side. Now this is completely optional. What I did next is I grabbed the black eyeshadow again, and on the corners of the lips I slightly shaded in a little bit of black, and whatever was left on the brush I just blended it in slightly. Then I grabbed my large filbert brush from the face painting shop, and I loaded it with the same red face paint and coloured in the tip of her nose. And of course she didn't want me to do this, but you are more than welcome to put some black thin eyebrows in. And as you can see, I just quickly sprayed some glitter on it before the paint dried. And this is my Pennywise Halloween face painting design. And you're more than welcome to put a bit of mascara to finish off the look. Okay guys, so unfortunately this is the end of the video. I really hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. If you have, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Thank you, bye!